take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can.
Hey YouTube, it's Dez and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, stop what you're doing, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And if you've already been rocking with me, then welcome back. So guys, as you guys can see, I got my little ring light back here. I am getting ready for our Valentine's Day photo shoot and I wanted to bring you guys along for this quick ponytail idea that I came up with. Well, I didn't come up with it, but I had to do it because I was supposed to get braids and it kind of got, my plans not even they got canceled. So I had to go ahead and do it myself for the Girls and I's Valentine's photo shoots that I do yearly with them. And I most definitely enjoy it. The craziest thing is trying to beat the sun like every single time, because mostly every time I have to work. So I hate that. So this is the hair that I got. Yes, it's pink. My oldest daughter has pink braids in her hair. So we were supposed to have knotless together. But of course, like I just said, that didn't work out. So I actually have, this is two little bundles. And one of my students, her mom actually does hair. And she had did a top knot. So she kind of told me how to do it. But I'm going to do a braided ponytail look kind of situation. But I need to gel my hair up into a ponytail first. So here's my little ponytail holder. I'm just using a regular, you know, like a regular old ponytail. And I'm going to go ahead. Jael! I need to brush, y'all. Oh, here we go. Never mind. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and gel it up. And then I'm going to see if it turns out like the look that I'm going for. Her daughter actually had a top knot bun, which I cannot wait to try. But since this photo shoot is like, you know, girly and fun, I'm going to save that hairstyle for another time. This is like really quick. I'm just honestly need to get this done within the next 10 minutes or so. So that's why I wanted to do something quick, which is this ponytail. I'm going to see if I can get it like all the way up. Because the idea that I had, the girl had her hair like all the way up. I did just do my makeup and I think it turned out great. I tried these new lashes. Y'all know I don't wear lashes on a regular, but I think I like them. I like them a lot. Yeah, of course I'm going to take them off probably within 5 minutes after this photo shoot is over with, because it's late. And yeah, y'all see we only got like a little bit of, there go my kids going crazy in the back. We only got like a little bit of sunshine out there, but it is like 65. So, and the shoot is outdoors. I'll be sure to put some photos up on here, because by the time you guys see this video, the pictures will be done and edited and all of that. So yeah, my hair is growing so good, as you guys can see. Look at my pony. It's growing so good, y'all. Okay, so I am going to give myself a, did she say use my hair? Yeah, my hair is supposed to be out. Okay, there. Okay, so my hair is out. My hair is going to be in the braid. Okay, it's up and it's ready to go. So she just said use the rubber bands to do it if I was doing a top knot. So I'm doing a braid, so I'm going to do the same exact thing and just put it around my ponytail like so. And I think I want to double it up just so that it's secure, because y'all know this is my first time. So I don't want it to be, I have done a low braided ponytail, but I didn't do it like this. I actually like added the hair into pieces. So it was a little different. She did say take out a piece that I could wrap around. So that's that. And I know it's going to be way harder than what I think, with it being like up like this. But we about to get it done, period. Okay. So then I'm just going to braid, guys. Braid it into here. I'll probably just speed this whole braiding process up, or I might just talk to you guys, you know, keep me company. Nothing much going on. I have some really like big, exciting news that is happening in my life right now that I cannot wait to share with you guys. No, I'm not pregnant, not like that. But it is like life-changing, you know, really good news. So once everything is done, I told myself that I'll mention things, but I'm just not going to give too many details this year in general, just in my life until it actually happens. And I feel that my life has been like just stress-free and just so much better with me doing that. And I'm actually loving, you know, how 2022 has started off. And I think it's going to be an amazing, amazing year. So, yeah. I hope you guys are having an amazing year. And I hope you guys have been manifesting like I spoke about in one of my first videos of the year. Make sure y'all manifesting the life that you want so that you can get that. Like, anything is attainable, trust me. And I really know that at this point, my life is always like crazy because I feel like, I mean, that's everybody. I'm not just going to say me. A lot of random, like, crazy stuff be happening, and then I don't be knowing why, but I try not to question it, like, ever anymore, because the reason why is because God wants it to. Oh, it's like a little side little situation now, which I think I like. But yeah, I used to like question it a lot, but now I don't. I just go with the flow, and if it's meant to be, it's meant to be, and whatever he wants me to do, and whatever route that he's taking me in, I'm just gonna roll with it because that's what he want me to do. Or else it wouldn't be going on and happening in my life, and you know, you just have to roll with the punches and take the good with the bad and just figure it out. So that's what I'm doing. I'm figuring out life, you know, every day. We just learning and growing. I think I'm going to put like a little rubber band on the end of this because I could see it just coming apart. But I do like the little side little situation, even though it wasn't supposed to go to the side, but I actually like it. So I got my little rubber band, and I'm just gonna put that on the end. Let me re-braid this because I was like messing it up at the end. Okay, let me re-braid it down. Okay. So it's definitely not no regular little ponytail because I definitely did not mean for it to be a side ponytail. I mean, a side braid. But you guys like it? I like it. Let me see if y'all can see it. Get a little closer. Okay. Okay, so guys, like I said, this is just for this photo shoot. I'm not like wearing it or anything like that. I will, but not right now. I'm just like rushing to get to our photo shoot. And of course, the back of my head ain't gonna be showing, but I do need to put like a little body pin back there because I feel it like slipping a little bit. Oh, here we go. Oh no, that's not one. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so y'all know what's next is these edges. I'm gonna get these edges done. And we're gonna get up out of here, period. It don't even match my hair color, but like I said, it's fine. It's just for these photos. So we good to go. It ain't no big deal. We're gonna roll with the punches. I'm actually gonna move y'all over. Hold on. Okay, so I had to relocate y'all so that I could get these edges done and y'all could see it a little better. So, yeah. And I'm just gonna do... I would do these like real dramatic today because of this ponytail. Actually, I am. I mean, they dramatic to me because I'm gonna let them like just be real big, like a whole bunch of hair. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah, usually when I put on my baby hairs, like I literally only do my baby hairs, but y'all see I'm being a little dramatic. And yes, I got a nice little glow. I ain't no makeup artist or nothing, but I did this little look and I think it looks so good and I am glowing. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? I like it. I use this illuminating, I don't know, what is it called? This NYX is illuminating powder, and I use that for my my eyeshadow today, and I used it on my little cheekbones, and I think it looks so good. It's definitely a look. Okay, y'all, this is not a good idea to be doing this with this makeup on here because all I see is just makeup all in my hair, and that's just nasty. And it ain't like I'm about to wash my hair tonight. No, ma'am. Okay. I'm just going to let that be. I'm just going to let that be how it's going to be. Because, yeah. And where is this even coming from? Okay. Okay. Let me wrap that on up. Do y'all like it? I like it. I'm just going to spray a little bit of this. Because like I said, I'm not about to be wearing this, but I'm about to be outside. And I want it to be up there. Okay. I got it. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.